Hi everyone and welcome to my place. What did I love about my floral, botanical, intrepid adventure through just a small area of China? I loved the botanicals, I loved the green, I loved the moss, I loved the trees, I loved the flowers, I loved the landscape. I brought this, just a little token, back with me because I absolutely loved it. This beautiful tray down here, this rocky outcrop, the little path leading up to two little houses looking out to something was beautiful. And we went, one day we had, I think it was about 6.5 hours in the bullet train. And as we went past in the distance, you could see this. And it was just like one of those moments of, oh, I just love that. These are everywhere and they come in all sizes. This could have been a bit bigger, but however, that was all I could, wasn't allowed to bring anything else, anything bigger home. Now that just comes off there, and because the greens of China are so beautiful, I'm just going to put that there. Now this is something else that I saw, look at that, just like a little mossy pad and then a couple of little trees. These in the gardens were gorgeous. I thought that Japan was lovely, but I think China is my most favourite place for gardening. Gorgeous. Now into there, I'm just going to put that there. And that, in due course, is going to become my bonsai. In fact, I might not put it that way. I might put it out that way. Yes, that's a much better way. Little living plant there that can actually come down, and then I'm going to grow it around here like so. Do I like that? Hold on, let me just see. Oh, yes, I do like that. And or else when this comes up, I might be able to use that to take that around and down. Now this little tree can just sit down into there, and I've got a couple of other little mossy pads. I'm just going to put those down into there, and then this is where they bring in their fresh flowers, and they just sit like that. Isn't that just gorgeous? That is just simply beautiful. I was going to say simplistically the beauty is amazing, but just to look at it like that, that is a really beautiful thing, and I just love it. And I did see some of these, and because it was spring while we were there, a lady had grown some blue hyacinths in the inside of it. Oh, just gorgeous. So anyway, there is a little touch of something. Look, if you were going too fast, you would have missed it, but my eyes saw it, and I had to walk down to have a look at it, and she had it on her windowsill, and it looked fabulous. I hope you've enjoyed this, because sometimes the less you do, the better it is. Beautiful designing. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you again another day. Bye for now.